In Leviticus 19:2 and in 1 Peter 1:13 through 25, we hear these familiar words echoing, God telling us to be holy as He is holy. What on earth does that mean? Hi, this is Joe Stowell, welcoming you to Daily Strength. You know, all of us who have kids have been guilty of ending an argument about why they should do something with the conversation stopping, because I said so. You know, that kind of reply is powerful because it has an edge to it. There are times when God is edgy with us. We like to stand there and argue with Him, but He just keeps saying things like, because I said so, or you be holy because I am holy. His call to holiness in our lives has that kind of an edgy sound. In the Old Testament, when God wanted to bring that kind of holy edge to His people, He showed up in a place called the temple. God's holiness comes from another world and engages with yours and with mine. Jesus' birth was a holy invasion. It came with an edge from another place, from another world, from another sphere of reality. And it cut through pretense by coming as a peasant baby, cradled in the arms of an unwed mother, surrounded by, think of this, sheep and goats. It cut into normal religious and political agendas by casting genuine humility as a way to put power on full display. It sliced through the stuffy hot air of classicism by first announcing His arrival to reject shepherds working the third shift outside the city limits. It carved away centuries of religious oppression and hypocrisy by showing the power of quiet innocence. Holiness in God's terms has an edge. And it's not only edgy in its essence, it's edgy in its demands. Because we represent Him, we are called to live with this kind of a holy edge. To live with a holy edge means to live differently, to make daily choices that square with God's holiness, to stand for right in a wrong-headed culture, to preserve commodities like honesty, justice, and integrity, no matter what, to replace greed with generosity, and even to go as far to forgiving the very cruelest of offense. The edge of holiness calls us to serve others instead of ourselves. It calls on us to use our power to bless others instead of using it to advance our own agendas. You know, it's that kind of edgy living that makes a huge statement about the distinct difference that a holy God makes in your world. You know, when God first spoke to His people through Moses, He told them to live in the land He had promised to them and to enjoy it. But they were to live in that land with a holy edge. They were to live differently than their pagan counterparts, uniquely reflecting the holy difference of the true and the living God. So what does that mean for you and me? It means that we dare not lose our edge. Holiness will set you wonderfully apart in an increasingly unholy world. No wonder He said that we should be holy. Why? Simply because He is holy. God bless you. May people notice the edge of the distinct difference in your life.